everyone, welcome back to Learn Italian with Bukola. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this lesson. In today's lesson, we will be learning the Italian nouns. The Italian nouns have genders. They are either masculine or feminine. Most singular nouns end in O or A. Nouns that end in O are usually masculine, and those ending in A are usually feminine. The plural of O is I. The plural of A is E. Let's see some examples. Bambino. The plural of bambino is bambini. Bambina, bambine, donna, donne, uomo, uomini, ragazzo, ragazzi, ragazza, ragazze. Anytime you see double letters in Italian, you have to prolong the sound. For example, ragazzo. Anytime you see this word, you don't have to pronounce it as ragazzo because the word contains double letters. If you say ragazzo, that means you aren't pronouncing it correctly. You have to call it ragazzo. Another example is gatto. The plural of gatto is gatti. You have to prolong the sound of the letter T. Attention! Not all words that end in O are masculine, and not all words that end in A are feminine. Examples of feminine words that end in O are mano, la mano. La is a definite article. We will talk about it in another lesson. So mano is not a masculine word, but a feminine word. Another example is foto, la foto, la radio. Examples of masculine words that end in A are programma, il programma, il sistema. There are also masculine nouns ending in E. Earlier in this video, we said the plural of A is E, but sometimes this changes. Examples of masculine nouns ending in E are padre. The plural of padre becomes padri. Signore, signori. Studente, studenti. Fiore, fiori. There are also feminine nouns that end in E that aren't plural. Remember, we also said that the plural of ragazza is ragazze. But there are some feminine nouns ending in E. That's the singular. We're talking about the singular nouns. Examples are classe, la classe, and the plural becomes classi, le classi. Madre, madri. Televisione, televisioni. Any singular word that ends in E, the plural becomes I. Now I'm going to give you an assignment. What are the plurals of these words? Pallina, gatto, uomo, donna, figlia, abito, gonna, classe, televisione, stazione. Watch this video again, pause the video and answer these questions. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in our next lesson. Grazie e arrivederci.